So good afternoon, class 7 children. Today, after completing chapter number 14, let's continue with the back exercise. So question number 1 is, draw in your notebook the symbols to represent the following components of electric circuit, like connecting wires, switch is off position, bulb, cell, switch is on the on position, and battery. So I hope each one of you have drawn already the 14.1 table, which was showing the symbols. Next, question number 2. Draw the circuit diagram to represent the circuit shown in the figure 14.21. So here what's given? Cell, switch, and a bulb is given. So children, by using the electrical symbols, you can draw the circuit. You can use the electrical symbols and you can draw the circuit. It's easily, I think conveniently you can do it. It's very easy. Cell you have to draw, battery or a bulb and a cell. That's it. Cell, switch and bulb you have to draw. Next, question number 3 is, so first we have done, second, third is, in the given figure, what we have to do, show 4 cells are fixed on a board. Draw lines to indicate how you will connect with the terminals. And already you know that positive terminal is connected with the negative and negative is connected with the positive. So I hope you have understood this, that positive will be connected to the negative terminal, negative will be connected to the positive terminal, and positive will be connected with the negative terminal. It will be connected with the negative terminal. So in this way you can mark it. Okay. Next, question number 4 is there. The bulb in the circuit shown does not glow. Can you identify the problem? Yes, Vehan, you have raised hand. Tell
Yes,
me what.
ma'am. Problem in the circuit. Can I tell? Ma'am, problem in the circuit is the combination of the two cells. The circuit of the terminal of the one cell should be connected with the negative terminals so that we could make the bulb glow.
Okay. So here is the problem in this circuit. Here it is given that positive is connected with the positive terminal. And but what should be the correct connection? The positive terminal should be connected with the negative terminal of
Negative
the
terminal.
battery. Yes, negative terminal, only then it can be working. Okay. Next question number 5. 5. Name any 2 effects of electric current. So you need to give the effects of electric current. Yes, Naitik Arora.
Ma'am, may I tell Avika?
Naitik. Naitik is able to give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the two effects of the electric current are the magnetic effect and the heat effect. Heating
effect as well as the magnetic effects are there. Okay, children. That
Yes, ma'am.
already we have learned magnetic and heating effect of electric current are there. Okay. Let's move to question number 6. When the current is switched on through a wire, a compass needle kept nearby it shows deflection from its north-south position. Explain why it is so. So why?
Can I?
Sharvil, will you give the answer? Wait for a second, Swastik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, still.
Ma'am, it kept deflecting because, ma'am, when the current is passed through the needle, the magnetic field is produced through which the compass needle deflects.
Very good. The current start flowing and the magnetic needle shows the deflection. If you want to rectify Swastik, you can. I think this is the right answer also. It shows
It is right.
Yes, it shows a magnetic effect of electric current, as you have told that magnetic field is set up and only then the compass is going to be deflected. Next, question number 7. Will the compass needle show deflection when the switch in the circuit is closed? So kindly raise your hands. We have done 6. Now we are talking about the 7th question. Just see the setup 14.24 and you have to tell when we switch on, whether the current will flow and whether the magnetic compass will show deflection or not. Yes, Avika? Or Jayavardhan, you may tell.
It will be not closed.
No, we are saying that if the switch will be in the on position, then what will happen? Will the bulb will glow or magnetic compass will show deflection or not? I'm asking this. Yes, Avika? Not able to hear. Jia, unmute yourself, beta.
Now
It will
you are able to hear.
Yes, now it's okay. One has to speak.
Ma'am, no, the compass does not, the needle of the compass will not show the deflection, as there will be no magnetic effect, and that's why it will not be deflecting.
Why there will be no magnetic effect? Why there is no
Ma'am, can I
magnetic?
tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, as the circuit is closed.
beta, the current flows in the closed circuit. If
Ma'am,
the-
may I tell?
one has to tell. Yes, Swastik can.
Ma'am, until the circuit is opened, no electric current will pass through the wires, so no magnetic field will be produced. That's why the magnetic
No. Wait,
needle
beta,
will
wait.
show.
Wait, children. The question is, in the diagram, you are able to see that switch is on. Sorry, switch is off. This is the off position. Your question is, when the switch in the circuit is closed, जब switch को बंद कर दिया जाएगा, then the question is asked, then the magnetic needle will show deflection or not? Yes, Rajat.
Ma'am, then
Ma'am,
it will be going to show.
Ma'am, it will show. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
it will
as the circuit will be complete and the magnetic effect will be there.
So all are saying that magnetic needle will be showing the deflection.
No, ma'am, no, because there is no source of electric current.
Yes, you are missing something. You all are concentrating on the switch, but you are forgetting that in this circuit, there is no source of light. Cell is not there, battery is not there. Only what is there? Switch, bulb, and magnetic compass is there. Until or unless there is no switch or there is no source of light, that is a cell or a battery, the magnetic compass can't show deflection. Am I clear? So this will not show any of the deflection because there is no source of light. So we were just concentrating on all that. That's why our mind was diverted, that either the switch is on or off position. Okay, let's move to the next one. Question number 8, A part. Longer line in the symbol of cell represents
positive terminal.
positive terminal. The combination of two or more cells is called
Battery.
battery.
when the current is switched on. The room heater, in a room heater,
Produces heat.
it produces heat.
Produces heat.
Or you may say that it becomes red hot or produces heat. So I'm writing only heat. Next, a safety device.
Ma'am, we can
based-
say it gives heat.
Yes, you may
It
write.
gives heat.
Yes, no issue is there. Gives, produced, anything you can write down. The safety device based on the heating effect of electric current is called
Fuse.
Yes.
Fuse.
Okay. For next question, you need to mark whether it is true or it is false. Yes, Gia, can I have the answer for the first one? True, false? To make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one is connected with the negative terminal of the other.
False. False.
False.
False.
False. When the electric current through the flow exceed a certain limit, the fuse wire melts and breaks.
True.
Yes, it is true. An
True.
electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron.
False.
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 An electric bell has an electromagnet.
True.
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 Okay. Yes. Next is, do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from the garbage heap?
Ma'am, may I
Yes.
tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, children, wait. Let me ask you someone else.
Ma'am, may I
Children,
tell?
don't forget. Wait. Ananya Jain, would you like to give the answer? Ananya Jain. Can unmute yourself, Riyanshi, Dhavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer for question number 10. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap?
Ma'am, I think yes, because it's the magnetic effect doesn't go then
Yes,
also.
Hiryanshi, give the answer for this question.
Ma'am, no, the plastic bags do not get attracted by the magnets,
Yes,
so they
because
cannot be separated by an electromagnet.
yes, very good. So electromagnet can't be used for separating plastic bag because plastic bags are non-magnetic materials. They are not
Ma'am,
attracted
plastic
towards.
bags do not have any of the magnetic properties,
Yes.
so the magnets can't be used to separate them.
Yes. So they means the electromagnet can't be used to separate plastic bags. Number 11. An electrician is carrying out some repair in your house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give reason for your answer. So the electrician is there. He just want to replace a fuse of your house with a wire, simpler wire.
Ma'am, may I give the answer?
Yes, give.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's not like I do not agree on this because the fuse is generally designed to stop or break the circuit if the current is overflowing, and wire, so it will not like stop the circuit, and it will not do the work of fuse.
Yes. So even we can't use the wire of any. We can't use a wire for this. So
Ma'am,
the
any
answer
kind
is
of wire can't be attached. The wire
yes.
which has low heating point can only be attached.
Yes. So any of
Ma'am,
the
because
wires.
a wire has a low melting point.
So we need to attach that wire which is having a low melting point. So any of the wire we can't attach with a fuse. So that's why. Next, okay. Question number 12. Zubeda made an electric.
overload or overheat.
Yes. Zubeda made an electric circuit using a cell holder shown in figure 14.4, a switch and a bulb. When she put the switch in the on position, the bulb did not glow. Help Zubeda in identifying the problem deflects in the circuit. So children, you may see the circuit number 14.4 in your books. So the bulb is not glowing when the switch is in the on position. What can be the possible reason for it?
Ma'am, can I answer it?
Yes.
There can be 4 reasons for it. The connecting wires may be loose, the
Yes.
electric cell may be used up, the
Hmm.
switch may not be functioning well,
Okay.
or the cell has been exhausted.
Yes. So children, different, may the connection will be loose. May the cell has exhausted. May the bulb has fused. So different assumptions can we take when you're anything at your home, even if it's not working, what you assume? You just give the assumption, हाँ हो सकता है ये इसमें खराब ना हो सकता है इसकी मोटर खराब होगी सपोज आपके घर में मिक्सी खराब हो गई है या आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर खराब हो गया देन वो यू जस्ट पुट द assumptions हो सकता है इसकी मोटर खराब हो गई है हो सकता है इसका कंप्रेसर खराब हो गया इसकी गैस खत्म हो गया so different assumptions we give. So similarly here the bulb is not working. So different assumptions we can give that this may happen, this may happen. Okay. Next is children, I think up to here everybody has done. Next question number 13 is there.
Ma'am, there can be also one more.
Yes. Tell.
Ma'am, if the cell holder has bad connectivities.
Yes. Bad connectivities with the cell holder or maybe the weak current is flowing through that. That can also be the reason. In that case, again, the bulb will not glow. You have read already that if the weak current is there, very less current is flowing, only then the bulb is not glowing. Okay, let's go for the question number 13. In the circuit as shown in figure 14.25, you may see there is a battery and 3 bulbs are there, A, B, C, with a switch. So our question is number 1, would any of the bulb glow when the switch is in the off position? So similarly, already the switch is in the off position. So any of the bulb is going to glow. A, B, C. Any of the bulb will glow if the switch is off. Yes, still? Is it like that? If any of the switches
Ma'am,
off,
if the switch is off, any of the bulb will not glow as the power would not be supplied to the bulbs.
yes, simply if the switch is off. So why you are thinking so much? Rest are not giving the answer. If the direct here is written that switch is in the off position will there, then none of the bulb is going to glow. Question number 2, second part
Ma'am,
of
and
it.
if the switch is on, so all the bulbs will glow at the same time.
Yes, this question number 2 is there. If the switch is on, so your question is which bulb will glow first? What is the order of glowing? So children, let me tell you one thing, that all the bulb will glow at the same time quickly. आप सिंपल एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक ऑफ एलईडीज. आप घर में अब दिवाली में एलईडीज लगाएंगे ना? क्या लगा ली है अभी आपने? you will be using the LEDs or the bulb you will be using. So what happens as soon as suppose आपकी एक LED की लड़ी में 20 bulbs हैं, 20 LEDs are there, very small LEDs are there, and you just connected to the switch. जैसे ही आप स्विच ऑन करते हो, क्या एक एक करके LED ग्लो होती है कि ऑल टुगेदर?
Ma'am, they will glow
Ma'am, they
simultaneously.
glow.
Yes, all
Ma'am,
together
they glow
simultaneously. Yes.
periodically in a very short time period.
Yes, that
Ma'am, we do not.
is our setting, na? Otherwise, if we are putting the 10 bulbs, so that bulb will glow at the same time. So similarly here, once we have switched on, they will be glowing at the same rate. It's not like that कि A पहले glow करेगा because that is on the left side, and B and C will glow later on because they are on the
Ma'am, they
right
will
side.
glow all together.
Yes, all together they will glow. So children, this was your back exercise of chapter number 14. I hope each one of you have understood this chapter, the heating effect and magnetic effect of electric current. And this is small bit of practical chapter, and you all are familiar about all these things in your surroundings. So for practical, we can't go for the electric circuit which is present at our home. So don't try. And if you want to try, just use cell, battery or LEDs. That's it. Not other than this. And now your work is to do this question answers in the notebook.